Hey, welcome back everybody to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Today we're going to satisfy your smoked sweet tooth and we're going to make a purely sweet smoked delicious thing here on the Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart. And I haven't really made a lot of sweet things on the smoker. We've done like the candied bacon, we did the bacon wrapped little smokies. All those had a little bit of a sweet element to them, but today it's all about the sweetness because today I am making smoked cinnamon rolls. I love cinnamon rolls, I always have. Growing up as a kid, if ever there was the smell of cinnamon rolls on a Saturday morning, you know what I'm talking about. Who doesn't like cinnamon rolls, right? Absolutely delicious. But today I'm gonna make them a little bit differently. I'm gonna make them in my cast iron skillet right here on the Lockhart, and we're gonna add a couple things to just kick them up, make them even better. So with that, let's get started. All right, this is gonna be a very, very simple recipe here. I've got 2 packs of cinnamon rolls. You could use the grands, like the big ones, if you wanna have just bigger ones, but I just got 2 packs of the smaller ones. I've also got a little bit of butter that I melted inside in the microwave, some brown sugar, and my cast iron skillet. It's as simple as that. So I'm gonna grab my butter and I'm gonna just spread it around in my skillet here. All right, now that's all coated. Next thing I'm gonna do is take my brown sugar. I'm just gonna sprinkle that in. There we go. Now you could also put nuts in this if you want. I don't like nuts, so I'm not gonna do that. Go ahead and open up my cinnamon rolls. All right, I'm just gonna take these out. I'm gonna start just laying them with that topping side down. I mean, that topping's kind of everywhere, but just gonna kind of lay them in there because eventually we're gonna flip these over out of the pan. Now the cinnamon rolls always come with this little icing. I'm gonna set this aside because I'm gonna use it a little bit later. Go for my second pack here. And just get these in there. That last guy in there, nice and snug. There we go. All right, it's time to get these things into the smoker. All right, so my Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart is preheated to 350 degrees, and today I'm smoking the cinnamon rolls using the Pit Boss Competition Blend pellets, which is just a great all-around versatile pellet. It's good for just about anything, whether it's a meat, a dessert, vegetables, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my cinnamon rolls onto the smoker for about 20 minutes or so at 350. Then I'm gonna come back out, check them, see what else we need to do from there, and then we're gonna eat them. All right, it's been 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, those are looking great. The smell smells great. We're not quite there yet, obviously, but we got a little bit more time to go. Those are expanding nicely. You can start to see things are bubbling down in the bottom. That butter-sugar combo, it's all just gonna be delicious. So we're gonna give it probably another 15 minutes or so, come back out and check on it. All right, it's been about another 10 minutes or so. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, looking really nice. I love the color. I noticed that the back ones are getting a little bit more brown than the front ones. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn this around a little bit there. There we go. Let those back ones get a little bit more brown, and then they'll be done. All right, take a look at these. Woo, nice and brown. They have that perfect texture you want. There's still some of that butter sugar mixture in there bubbling. Oh, it's gonna be so good. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to flip these over. All right, here goes nothing. There we go. Are you ready for this? Let's see. Woo! There we go. Man, very, very happy with how those turned out. Now back to that icing. I took this icing inside, I warmed it up just a little bit because you can't have this without icing, right? I'm gonna go ahead and just put that on like that. What's that? We have a second container of icing? Well, okay. Let's put that on there too. Whew, tell me that's not going to be delicious. All right, y'all know how this goes. Got to give it a try. Let's see. Take this one right here from the end. Oh, man, look at that. I actually got to walk around so you can see this. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. Okay. All right, now that you've seen how great that looks, here we go. Mm. Oh my gosh. It's got a crunch on the top layer from that sugar butter combo. You can taste the smokiness in it. Holy smokes. That is so good. That's so much better than ever doing it indoors. Why would you ever cook this indoors if you got the ability to do it outdoors? Wow. Man, well, I can't wait to eat more of this. I'm gonna take it indoors because I know the family is gonna love it. But hey, thanks for tuning in today. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of the cool things that we have coming up here. And hey, if you're into this sweet kind of stuff, check out one of these other 2 videos where we added some sweet components to some otherwise savory dishes outdoors on the smoker. And I will see you next time.